Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to refund a game on Steam. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Steam application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Steam if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the store, we have the library, the community, and your profile also. Also, here we have in the middle, we have a tab where you can see your store, new and noteworthy categories, and the search bar here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and refund a game on Steam. So launch the Steam client on your computer, as I told you, and click on Help in the top menu and select Steam Support. So when you click here, click on Steam Support. A screen will pop out like this. In the Steam Support page, click on Game, Software, etc. Locate the game you want to refund and click on it. Click on I'd like to request a refund. Select the reason for your refund from the drop-down menu. Fill out any additional information if needed and click Submit. Steam will review your request and typically process refunds within 7 days. If approved, the refund will be created to your Steam wallet, credited to your wallet, or the original payment method you used. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.